Have you noticed those underground bunker POV videos blowing up all over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? What if I told you one simple upload just hit 4.7 million views, and you could create the exact same style of viral videos without spending a single dollar? Sounds crazy, right? Most people think the competition is too high or that you need expensive software to compete. But what if that's completely wrong? Right now, small channels are quietly pulling in millions of views with simple POV concepts like being chased by a wild animal and diving into an underground bunker. And here's the shocking part. The competition is still surprisingly low. So the real question is, are you too late, or is this your biggest opportunity? I've personally found 4 or 5 small channels growing rapidly using this exact format, consistently crossing millions of views. And the video you're watching right now, I made it using only free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral underground POV videos, how to structure them for maximum retention, and how to start your own Faceless Shorts channel to take advantage of this trend while it's still hot. So make sure you watch until the end because I'm breaking down the entire blueprint from A to Z to create these viral underground bunker POV videos. The first thing you need is the master prompt, and I've linked it in the description below, so make sure you grab it before doing anything else. When you open the link, it will take you to a Google Doc where you'll see a single powerful prompt. And this one prompt is all you need to build an entire video from scratch. Simply copy the first prompt exactly as it is, then open ChatGPT in a new tab. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 ready-to-use topic ideas specifically designed for this trend. Just wait for it to finish generating and you'll have multiple viral style concepts to choose from. If you don't like any of the first 10 ideas, you can simply ask it to generate more until you find one that feels strong and high potential. Once you've picked a topic from the ideas ChatGPT generated and you're ready to turn it into a video, simply copy the exact title of that topic, paste that title into the prompt box and click Generate. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will create a complete scene-by-scene breakdown for you, including detailed image prompts and matching video prompts for every part of the story. Under each scene, you'll also get specific action instructions that describe what should be happening visually, which makes the entire process incredibly simple to follow. Now that you have your structured scenes, the next step is to generate the images using free AI tools. Use the same image generation tool I'm using, so you can create the exact style of cinematic underground bunker POV visuals. Now for the image generation part, we're going to use a completely free AI website. Start by copying the first image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Then head to the website linked in the description below. It's called Pipit AI. Once you're on the site, sign up and log in. After logging in, you'll see 2 main options, image and video. Click on the image option. Now paste the image prompt into the prompt box. Next, click on the model selection button and choose the image model that best fits a cinematic realistic POV style. After selecting the model, click on the ratio settings and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Since we're creating vertical shorts content, once everything is set, hit the generate button. The system will start creating your image. Just wait a few moments, and your cinematic underground bunker POV image will be ready. Once your first image is ready, it's time to move on to the next scene. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt only. Make sure you're copying just the image prompt and not the video prompt underneath it. After copying, head back to Pipit AI, paste the new image prompt into the prompt box, keep all the same settings as before, and click the Generate button. Your next image will begin processing. If the result doesn't look right or doesn't match the cinematic POV style you're going for, simply click the Try Again option to regenerate it until you get a strong output. Repeat this exact process for every image prompt that ChatGPT provided. Just copy the image prompt, paste it into Pipit AI, generate and refine if needed. Once you've gone through all the prompts, you'll have a complete set of high-quality scenes ready to turn into your final video. Once all your images are generated, the next step is to download them properly. Click on the first image, and at the top you'll see a download option. Click on it, then select the format as PNG. Make sure you choose the without watermark option so your final video looks clean and professional. After that, save the image to your device. Repeat the same process for every single image. Download each one in PNG format without a watermark. I personally download all my images this way to maintain the highest quality and avoid any branding issues, so make sure you follow the exact same steps before moving on to the video creation stage. Now that all your images are downloaded, it's time to turn them into a video. For this step, we're going to use a free AI tool called Flow AI. The best part is that it gives you free credits, which means you can convert your images into videos without spending any money. Head over to Flow AI and click on New Project. Once you do that, a new interface will open. The platform has recently updated its layout, so it might look slightly different, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, look toward the lower section where you'll see an option labeled something like Nano Banana 2. Click on that and a settings panel will open. From there, select the video option. After clicking on video, make sure you set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating vertical shorts content. Then, choose your preferred cinematic or realistic model from the available options. Next, upload your first image. To do that, click on the plus icon. A search bar or upload window will appear at the top. Click on it and select the first image you downloaded earlier. Once you upload it, the system will begin processing. Just wait a few moments for the image to fully load before moving to the next step. Once your first image is fully uploaded inside Flow AI, the next thing you need is the matching video prompt. Remember, ChatGPT already created a specific video prompt for each image when it generated your scene-by-scene breakdown. So go back to ChatGPT, scroll under your first image prompt, and copy the exact video prompt written for that scene. After copying it, return to Flow AI and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Then click the Generate button. Flow AI will begin processing your scene and turning that static image into a dynamic video clip. Give it a few moments to render. Once it's finished, you'll see your first animated scene ready to preview. The results usually look incredibly cinematic and engaging. From here, you can make small edits if needed, or simply download the clip directly with one click. Next, repeat the same process for every remaining image. Upload the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the corresponding video prompt for that specific scene, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the video. Continue the step-by-step workflow until all your images have been converted into video clips. If any scene doesn't look right, you can simply regenerate it until you're satisfied with the result. After all your clips are ready, download each video one by one and save them to your device. Once that's done, you'll have all your individual scenes prepared and ready for the final assembly into a complete viral underground bunker PO video. Now it's time to edit everything together. For editing, we're going to use CapCut, and you'll find the link in the description below. Open CapCut and click on New Project, then import all the video clips you generated from Flow AI. Once they're imported, start dragging them onto the timeline one by one in the correct order of your scenes. When you place the first clip on the timeline, you might notice a small watermark. To remove it, simply zoom in slightly on the video by adjusting the scale until the watermark is cropped out of the frame. This keeps your video clean and professional. After that, you can copy and paste clips if needed to adjust pacing or extend certain scenes. Arrange all your clips properly so the full story flows smoothly from beginning to end. If any scene doesn't look right, you can always go back to Flow AI, regenerate that specific clip, and replace it in your timeline. Once all clips are arranged, you can enhance your video by adding background music, sound effects, subtle transitions, cinematic filters, or text overlays to increase retention. Keep the pacing tight and engaging. Make sure everything feels immersive and smooth. When you're satisfied with the final result, simply click on the Export button and save the video to your device. And that's it. Your underground bunker POV video is ready to upload.